Okay everyone, welcome back to Mike's Yoga channel. Today's video we will be doing some breath work designed to help you reduce stress. So this video is great for everyone and anyone. I encourage you to get as comfortable as possible. And when you're ready, let's get started. Okay everyone, so let's begin by coming into a seated position with one foot in front of the other. It doesn't matter which foot. I encourage you to sit up on a block if you have one, or a book. If you don't, that's okay. And from this position, let's just begin to close our eyes and come back to our natural breath. Your hands can rest on your knees or your lap. And from here, just observe how you're breathing right now. Not judging how you're breathing, just observing. Now from here, I want you to see if you can notice anything going on around you, keeping your eyes closed. So try and tap into your other senses. See what you can hear. Perhaps it's like a ceiling fan or traffic going by outside. Maybe you can hear some birds chirping. Notice if you can smell anything. And finally, tapping into our sense of touch, just notice how the ground beneath you feels. Notice how the ground is supporting you. Notice what it feels like just resting your hands on your knees or your lap. From here, we'll begin with our first breathing exercise. So we're going to be doing some belly breathing. So it's very simple. Basically on your inhale, all I want you to do is expand your belly, and on your exhale, draw your belly in towards your spine. So just moving with your breath. Inhale, expand. Exhale, draw the belly in. Inhale, expand. Exhale, draw the belly in. Do this a couple more times, moving with your breath. Now from here, we'll move into a three-part yogi breath. So as you inhale, expand your belly, expand your ribs, expand your chest. And exhale, release the chest, ribs, belly draws in. So inhale, belly, ribs, chest. Exhale, release chest, ribs, belly draws in. Do this a couple more times, moving with your breath. Let's do this one more time. Awesome job, you guys. From here, we'll move into Nadi Shodhana, or alternate nostril breathing. So let's bring our right hand up to our face and let our two pointer fingers rest on our third eye. And we will be plugging our right nostril with our thumb and our left nostril with our ring finger. So let's start by plugging our right nostril and inhaling through our left nostril. And we'll inhale for 5 seconds. Close the left with the ring finger and exhale through the right. 5 seconds. Inhale through the right. Close right, exhale left. Inhale left. Close left, exhale right. Inhale right. Close right, exhale left. Great job, you guys. Let's keep it going, moving with your own breath. Let's do a couple more rounds. Let's do one more round. Now from here, just come back to your natural breath once again, letting your hands rest on your knees or your lap. Take a couple breaths here. Notice how you feel right now. Now from here, we're going to be moving into Kapalabhati breaths, otherwise known as skull shining breath. So basically this is a passive inhale followed by a very rapid exhale. So I'm just going to demonstrate for you guys here first, and then we can get into it. So it kind of goes like that. So what I want you to do is inhale 3/4 of the way. So don't inhale a full breath, just inhale 3/4. And we'll begin this. So let's inhale. And when you're ready, let's begin. Start to slow it down a little bit. Slow it down even more. Finally, just come back to your breath once again. Great job, you guys. Now from here, we're going to be inhaling 3/4 of the way again, but this time we're going to be holding our breath. So just hold for however long feels comfortable for you. Try and keep it around 5-10 seconds, but just do what's comfortable for you. So let's inhale. And from here, let's just hold our breath. Release whenever you feel ready. And again, just come back to your natural breath. Notice how you feel now. Hopefully you should be feeling some less stress, less anxiety. And that wraps up our breath work today. If you want, I encourage you to lie down in Shavasana and just stay there for however long you like. But yeah, that wraps us up today. If you haven't already, be sure to like and subscribe. I encourage you to come back to this video whenever you're feeling any sort of stress or anxiety. And from here, let's bring our hands up to our third eye. The light in me honors the